In today's world, you need safety. This is one extra way of giving people peace of mind. See these remotes that go on your visor? Anybody who gets into your car can just push this and your door will open, right? They can push that one. Any type of garage door opener, they just have a button that you push. These have the code on it. Only you know the code. So if someone steals that, or they get in front of your house, they go in your car, they break your window, and your car's parked there, and they push the button, they get into your house. You're going on a trip like to the airport, long-term parking, they'll break your window, they'll take your remote and your car registration. Sometimes they steal your whole car and they go home and they just push the button when they get there. And with these, it's impossible to do because they don't know the code. It's like an ATM machine. If you market yourself and you go out and you just install these and update people's system and make their home safety, there's a lot of people that are freaking out about safety. They don't want people breaking in, and they don't want, and once you tell them about how people get into your cars, they freak out. They get in through your regular remote. Thieves know how to do all this, so it's not a secret. They've been doing this for years. But once you tell people, a lot of people live in these areas where they're already freaking out, they'll end up wanting one of these. So if you do them yourself, you're going to make back $10,000 on a $900 investment by putting these little remotes in yourself. There's 30 to a box, so this is how I want to do the math for you. So this one box has 30 of those blue boxes that are over there in it. So each one of these, when I go out and install them, it's like $329 with 2 remotes. So I give you the second remote, you'll get 2 remotes instead of the one in the box, you'll get an additional one. So $300 you'll get for each one of them, and then there's 30 in here. So if you're gonna get 300 times 30, it's gonna be over 9,000 because you're gonna charge a little over 300. You're gonna get close to $10,000 a box. That's if you go out and put them in. That's roughly what you can get. That's what I charge. You can get more if you want. People pay a lot of money for safety. If you want to sell them on the internet, you can easily get $50 plus an additional $25 for the extra remote. You can get $75 a unit because some people are going to buy them. You could mark them up higher tthan $50. You could charge $79 for the unit, and then you could charge an extra $39 for the extra remote. Even if you got to do 2 remotes for $50, you're going to get $1,500 back for this box. You can introduce yourself on the Facebook Marketplace. You can tell people there's a lot of burglaries in the area. You should update your system. Sell them both ways. It'd be a good idea. And then all you got to do is go out there. You could hire a team to go out there and knock door to door. You could send out flyers. If you're putting them in yourself, they're very easy to put in. You could talk people into these just by going to the door and explaining the regular remote and the ones that are more safe, and you could install them right now. And a lot of people just going to them, they don't even have a regular remote. So they'll say, yeah, I don't even have a remote for my door. I'd love to have one. And they'll buy it. Normally, like I said, the main unit, that box, blue box I showed you, is $249 installed. You can charge up to $75 for the additional remote, which I'm going to throw in. I'm going to give you the second remote. So you're not paying any extra for the second remote. You're going to get 2 remotes. You're going to get a $325 installed value. And I'm telling you, people go nuts when they see these things. They love new stuff. They love electronics. Look what China's doing. China's just selling anything online that's electronic. People are buying it. So this is a great thing that people need, and it's something that you can start as a business, make a lot of money. We can make you a protected dealer, and you can order as many as you want after the first initial order. So get back to us at 415-637-7514. I don't want tire kickers calling me because I don't want someone calling me who doesn't have the money. I don't want someone, I run another whole business, and this is kind of a side business. So I would rather have you, if you're dead serious and you want to do this, I can hook you up and you can make a lot of easy money where you don't have to work hard. And people buy these. Sometimes they buy 50 to 100 at a time. I've sold 1,000 before. Probably 3 times I've sold 1,000 of these where someone called wanted 1,000 units. So they end up buying them and selling them or whatever they do with them. That's up to them. But anyway, give me a call, 415-637-7514, and I could talk to you directly. If you want to set this up, we can do it. Anyway, this is where I keep mine. Punch in your code when you pull up to your house, press enter, and the door will open. These are the boxes. The main unit, they come with the instructions, the warranty, and the remote. This is how the main unit comes, that color, and the color you just seen. It's very easy to set up on any garage door opener. It gives you the sense of safety. People are freaking out about safety lately. They wanted so many safety features. That's why all these garage door openers now, they're all coming with that home link and cameras on them, and they'll close automatically if you forget. They'd have all these features because people are freaked out about people breaking into their house and stuff. So in today's world, you need safety. This is one extra way of giving people peace of mind. You could tell people that. If you're a good salesperson, let's see how you do. Let me know if you want to do this. And it's really first come, first serve. We've never done it in volume like this. If you want to call us, you want to get in on the deal, call us, 415 637-7514. Do the math. I'm telling you. And believe me, they pay it. I'm in this business. They buy them all the time. All of you guys, you're welcome to call me if you want to get set up as a dealer. I can do that for you right away. And we're trying to get people in different areas all over the country. So when people want extra remotes or they want one, they'll go directly to you. If they call us, we'll find out where they're located and we'll just refer them directly to you. So let's get the ball rolling. Over and out. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.